I'll quickly go over what I have here. I have some peanut butter M&ms, some Bugles, and our white chocolate. You're gonna grab a little Bugle, just dip it right into the chocolate, place it down, grab one of your M&ms, and these are slightly larger because these are filled with peanut butter. That looks good. So this is a really fun one because it is so quick. And I'll keep that little M sticking out at the top and just pop that right in there. And these will just solidify in about 20 minutes or so. And you have a nice little holiday treat. So a little dip, dip, dip. Place it down. Grab your M&M and just pop it right in there. Just like that. What looks good? Right there. I guess I'll go for another green one and just pop that in. And then you just want to let these set up. And there we have it. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you wish. I really do appreciate that. That's it, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.